Mathematics of Class 9 CBSE. So from the first chapter, representation of terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals on the number line through successive magnification has been deleted. So successive magnification is deleted. Also explaining that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line and converse of that statement. Those two topics has been deleted. Again, definition of nth root of a real number. So altogether 3 topics has been removed from the chapter real numbers. Again, from the second chapter polynomials, motivate and state the remainder theorem with examples, and statement and proof of factor theorem both has been removed. Also from the algebraic identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that algebraic identity has been removed. From chapter 3 linear equation in 2 variables, the problems on ratio and proportion has been removed. And coordinate geometry, nothing has been removed from the chapter coordinate geometry. Again, from the geometry, that Euclid's geometry, that whole chapter has been deleted. And from the chapter lines and angles, nothing has been deleted. And from the triangles, the proof of the theorem, that is ASA congruence rule, the proof of the theorem has been deleted. Again, triangle inequality, that is also deleted. From the chapter quadrilaterals, nothing has been deleted. And from the chapter areas on parallelograms and triangles, that is parallelograms standing on the same base and between the same angles will be equal in area. So the whole chapter they has deleted. Again, from the circles, 2 topics has been deleted. There is one and only one circle passing through 3 given non-collinear points, and also if the statement of this is also has been deleted if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at 2 other points lying on the same side of the line containing the segment, the 4 points will lie on the circle. So these 2 topics has been deleted from the chapter circles. And from the chapter construction, the construction of the triangle of given perimeter and base angles. So the last construction from the chapter has been deleted. And from mensuration, areas, application of Heron's formula in finding area of the quadrilateral. So the second exercise from that chapter, Heron's formula has been deleted. That is applying Heron's formula in finding out area of quadrilateral. That topic, exercise, second exercise full has been deleted. And surface area and volume, nothing has been deleted. And from the chapter statistics, histogram with varying base length, frequency polygon. So only bar graph is there, histogram and frequency polygon both has been deleted. Also mean, median and mode of ungrouped data, that full topic has been deleted. And from probability, nothing has been deleted. So thank you for watching the video.